I'm Jack, and I'm here to show you 3 simple ways to cure your hiccups.
Step 1. Pulling your tongue. Pulling your tongue can ease out the spasm in your diaphragm. Doing so can help get rid of any reflex problem with your mouth, such as the hiccups. Step 2. You can eat sugar. Sugar will irritate the esophagus of your throat. When the esophagus is irritated, the printing nerve will reset and the hiccups will stop. Big words, right? Sniffing strong smells. Sniffing strong smells can cure your hiccups. Sniffing strong smells can change your breath pattern, which stops the hiccups. In conclusion, the hiccups are very annoying. So why don't you just use one of these 3 steps to cure them?